Eminence Front X5 and Larry Word here, coming to you from the back of my SUV, the Eminence Front X5. I'm out here shooting a video for you guys to show you a little bit of what I use out in the desert. And the thing I use the most to bring all these great videos is my cell phone. It's the Galaxy Note 8, and I've used a Video Rode microphone, and I have just upgraded one of the wires, one of the connectors that goes to the phone. Let me show you what that is. Here's my camera setup, my run and gun setup. This is what I use 99% of the time, and it's solid. I love it. I love it. I use the Filmic Pro app with I think they call it the Creative Bundle or something like that, which allows me to shoot flat and adjust in post. So that's what I do. That's how I create my videos these days. Actually, all my videos moving forward will be shot flat, whether it's on this DSLR camera, the D50-100, which is set up to shoot flat right now, as well as my trusty little cell phone. So yeah, I love it. Filmic Pro is really awesome. It allows you to really lock down your cell phone and use it more like a DSLR camera. So if you're used to using a DSLR camera, Filmic Pro is the only way to go, really, to make your videos look more filmic. Anyway, more cinematic. And it does work, honestly, it does. So yeah, this is my setup, my run and gun setup. The part I upgraded again was this cable here. Now what was on there before was this red cable, and this red cable had an adapter attached to it, which is right here. And once you attach that, you can now hook this microphone up to a cell phone. Otherwise, this connector here is actually good to go directly into like a DSLR camera or soundboard, stuff like that. But since I'm using it for my cell phone, I've upgraded this cable, and all the crackling and audio dropout that I was getting before, gone instantly. Now I'm just using my my camera mic on the Nikon right now, which is not great, but it's not windy out, and hopefully you guys can hear this audio. If not, I'll just have to do a voiceover. However, besides that upgrade there, which fixed the whole audio issue going on, I also upgraded the clamp. The clamp that holds the cell phone onto the Monopod is it's not spring-loaded. It's actually a clamp, so I can lock it down pretty tight and not have it move around or pop out, which has happened on the shoot. Don't want to get into that. I'm also using a ProMaster pivot head monopod head, and this allows me to quickly adjust the camera as needed, the angle of the camera as needed, depending on what I'm doing out there in the field. I also upgraded the microphone holder so that it actually swivels. I can turn the microphone around if I'm in selfie mode and forget to turn my mic around. I can actually just reach up and flip it real quick and not have to restart my recording. So that's kind of nice. It's friction too, so it's not going to flop in the wind. So yeah, that's a little upgrade I did. I also, the Evo clamp itself, the cell phone clamp, I actually filed so that the buttons on the Galaxy Note 8 doesn't actually get engaged when I actually clamp it too far into the clamp. Now the actual monopod itself, the shaft itself, I actually wrapped the top part of it in cork from a professional bike store. Went over there, bought $10 worth of their cork, and done. And I love it. I love this. It's great. If your hands get all sweaty, this is awesome. It doesn't allow it to slip. And yeah, that's it. That's my setup, really. It's not complex. I try to keep it simple. Now, I had talked about actually purchasing an external audio recorder, but for my type of setup, that's just too darn complex, and how fast I have to shoot some things just doesn't make sense. And I couldn't really hassle that kind of stuff out on the road unless I really dedicated a lot of time to that. So that's it. That's really my setup. Really quickly, I don't want to stretch this out too long, but that's my run and gun setup. If you guys have any questions, any comments, please do leave them down below in the comments area, and I would be happy to entertain those. I love reading comments, by the way, so if you have any comments at all, please do leave them down below. And that includes the bad ones too. I gain a lot of insight out of what you guys really don't like about these videos. That's it, guys. Eminence Front X5 and Larry Word thanking you for your time, and we'll catch you on the next video next Wednesday.